Bitcoin has managed to record some price gains in the last week following a brutal market sell-off at the start of July, which saw the crypto market leader lose 10% of its price on July 5th. At the moment, analysts continue to roll out observations and predictions that suggest that Bitcoin may soon pull off a market rebound and perhaps eventually embark on a highly expected bull run. So we have in the next post on Friday, prominent blockchain analytics company Sentiment provided some intriguing insights into Bitcoin's recent price behavior. Sentiment stated Bitcoin is largely behind the S&P 500 and other equities in relation to price performance, a development which they described as a rare sight over the last 3 years. Despite a mild recovery to end the week, Bitcoin's recent dip came as the S&P 500 and equities continued to flourish. This has been a rare sight for the next 4 hours across 24 million past 3 years, with most of crypto's runs coming in tandem. BTC lagging behind suggests Sentiment all the way to the president. I missed and Sentiment feed July 12th, 2024. As earlier stated, Bitcoin's current massive price dip can be attributed to a large-scale market sell-off, mainly by the German government, who have now completely offloaded their total BTC holdings, valued at $2.9 billion. Furthermore, the defunct crypto exchange Mt. Gox, which collapsed in 2014, finally began the repayment of a $9 billion debt to creditors in BTC and BCH, the majority of which were expected to be sold, thus prompting massive selling pressure. While Bitcoin showed some resilience this week, gaining by 2.88%, the premier cryptocurrency still trails the positive in sections and taking that price performance of the equities market on a larger time frame. Now, for context, Sentiment explains that Bitcoin has declined by 19.4% in the last 5 weeks, while the S&P 500 has recorded a 5.4% gain within that same period. However, as this development has been a rare occurrence in the last 3 years, as both assets usually moved in tandem, Sentiment suggests Bitcoin may experience a, quote, bullish catch-up period. In other news, crypto analyst Rect Capital has noted that Bitcoin is currently battling to end a downtrend stretching over the last 1.5 months. During this period, the premier cryptocurrency has lost over 18% of its price. According to Rec Capital, Bitcoin has attempted to break out of this downtrend multiple times, including 3 times in the last 3 days. If Bitcoin eventually pulls a trend and reversal, the market leader may be set for full price recovery, reaching as high as $71,000. At the time of writing, Bitcoin trades at $58,170 with a 1.69% gain in the last day. However, this mild price pales in comparison to the comparison, which has less surged by 30.81% to a price of $5,615 in the last 24 hours.